Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not not opening not opening on the application of Tinder. If we go to settings, in this page if we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Tinder app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and